In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons to buttons in Webflow. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to place an icon inside a button, using the built-in backgrounds control in the Style panel. This approach keeps your layout clean and doesn't require any custom code. Start by opening your project in the Webflow Designer. Once you're in, locate the button you want to enhance. You can click it directly on the canvas, or select it from the navigator if that's easier. Make sure the button itself is selected so the styling you apply targets the right element. With the button selected, look to the right side of the screen and open the Style panel. This is where we'll handle everything for visuals and layout. Scroll until you find the Background section. If you don't see a background entry yet, add one. You'll notice an image placeholder appear. Click the image thumbnail to choose your icon. In the Media Chooser, select the icon from your existing assets. Icons that work best here are simple SVGs or small optimized PNGs with transparency. Choose your file and confirm. You'll immediately see the icon appear on the button as a background image. Next, adjust how the icon scales. Set the background size to cover. Cover scales the image to fully cover its background area, which can be helpful if your icon needs to be prominent and fill the space available. If you notice the icon looks too large or too tight, remember, this is just a styling choice. You can refine later by adjusting the background layer size or the button's padding to create comfortable spacing around your text and icon. If a Webflow tip or helper panel appears while you're making these changes, just click "Got it" to continue. That dismisses the message so you can keep working without distractions. Once you're happy with how the button looks in the designer, it's time to make your changes live. Head to the top right and click Publish. Choose the site destination you use for previews or your live site, and publish. After a moment, open the published site and confirm that the button displays the icon as expected. That's all there is to it. You selected the button, opened the Style panel, added a background layer, chose your icon, set it to cover for clean scaling, dismissed the helper message, and published your changes. As a pro tip, if you ever need finer control over spacing and alignment, you can later tweak padding on the button or adjust the background layer's position for a perfect fit without changing your